In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert any video to MP4 using Handbrake in just 5 minutes. First off, you need to download and install Handbrake. You can do this by visiting their official website, which is easily accessible from any web browser. Once you're on their site, simply download the version compatible with your operating system and follow the installation prompts that ensure Handbrake is properly set up on your computer. Once Handbrake is installed, go ahead and launch the application. When it opens, you'll see a clean interface that's primarily focused on making video conversion straightforward. Now, the next thing you want to do is import the video file you'd like to convert. Do this by clicking on Open Source. This button will bring up a File Explorer window where you can navigate to your desired video file. Select the video and it will load into Handbrake. Now, let's adjust the video encoding settings. This part is crucial for ensuring your video maintains quality while being converted to a smaller format. Head over to the Video tab where you'll see various options. For the video codec, you should select H.264x264. This codec is widely used and balances keeping high quality with manageable file sizes, making it highly compatible across different devices. Next, you'll want to set the frame rate. You can do this by choosing same as source, which retains the frame rate of your original video. However, if you have specific needs, maybe a video project requires a different frame rate, you can adjust this setting accordingly. You'll also see an option to adjust the bitrate for your video quality. A higher bitrate can improve video quality but will also increase the file size, so you might want to find a happy medium that suits your needs. It's important to consider the frame rate settings in more detail. You have the choice between a constant or peak frame rate. A constant frame rate is typically more reliable for compatibility, especially if your video will be streamed across various devices. Now decide where you want to save your converted file. Click on Browse to choose the destination folder on your computer and give your file a memorable name. Remember, organization is key, especially if you're handling multiple video projects. In the Summary tab, ensure that the output format is set to MP4. This is a universally accepted format and is perfect for sharing across different platforms. Lastly, when you're satisfied with your settings, click Start Encode to begin the conversion process. Handbrake will take over from here, and in just a few minutes you'll have a freshly converted MP4 video ready for use. That's all it takes, and now you've successfully converted a video using Handbrake.